objectives as they were the day before, guys. This is all the information, the objectives we have had for the past 4 weeks. 4 or 5 weeks. We have these all because we're learning this stuff and we're going to be testing on it come Friday. Yes, here. What's my question? Yeah, why don't you come up here, Dad?
Not
Alright guys, focus up. Eyes, focus up. Alright, so these are our objectives, these are our state standards, guys, that we need to know. Next slide. So today, guys, we're going to be reviewing material, reflecting on our understanding of it. Reflecting our understanding of it. And perhaps we're going to be moving on to the game so you can review the material and have a little bit of fun. Oh, more. Okay, guys. So the first thing, guys, we have is SI units. Now, I know how much we all love SI units. But I'm trying to, guys, and I'm letting you guys know something about these units right here. Knowing how to convert between units, guys. I'm going to remind you again. This stuff that you're learning right now is stuff that I did in college. I had to learn how to convert unit, guys, in college. In order for me to be able to even pass, I should see 100% eyes up here. In order for me to pass my chemistry course, in order for me to even be able to get into my biology courses, I needed to know how to convert units. So guys, the stuff that you're learning right now, and I'm giving you a reminder of it, is not just for the test come Friday. It's not for the rest of this semester. It's not for just even going on to high school, which you're going to need it as well. This is the thing you're going to use in college all the time. Every single moment. So it's important to learn it now, not just for the test, but for your pursuit in your life going on to college. Next slide. Now, I'm going to write down, guys, my favorite mnemonic device. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay, so we got this idea. Look up here, guys. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So, guys, as we move from the bigger units, this right here, this is the biggest unit we got so far. Biggest. To the smallest unit.
What you need, baby?
Small. Guys, I want to see all eyes up here. As you move from the biggest unit to the smallest unit, guys. As you move there, your number is going to increase. So, if I have 2 kilograms. As I move to grams, I'm going to end up with 2,000 grams. I'm going to walk you guys through that process. But as you guys can see, as you go from a kilogram and you shift over to the right, and you go to grams, you end up with a much larger number. So, counter to that idea, if I move from the left, guys, what do you think is going to happen for my number? What to my number? Terry?
The number is going to decrease.
The number is going to decrease. So where I might have 2,000 milligrams, as I move back over to grams, I'm going to only have 2. Okay? And we'll walk you guys, how do we come up with these again? Because I know you guys have it down pretty pat, you got it pretty much set. But I'll remind you guys, the process that we use when we're converting. So, next slide. If you guys don't have these 2 down, I'm going to give you 10 more seconds to write down the word increase and decrease in your space. You guys have 10 seconds. So, next slide. Borrow it from a friend if you did not get it there, guys. I want you all right now to stop writing. Everyone must stop writing and look up here. Because I'm going to model for you guys again how to do this one more time. So that when I do it, you guys remember how to do it when you go home. And get ready for this test. Guys, every unit place that you move the decimal place point one place. So if I move it to the left, my decimal point is going to move to the left. If I move it to the right, my decimal point is going to move to the right. However many spaces that I move is how many spaces, Gordon, is how many spaces I move my decimal point. So I want you guys to watch me as I do this. Okay, so for instance, let's say I start at, let's say I have 260 milligrams. I have 260 milligrams. Now, I'm starting here at milligrams, and I want to get the grams, which is right here. So I need someone to say, am I moving to the left or am I moving to the right? I want to see some new hands. I see Gary's hands up. I see Danny's hands up. I want to see a couple more people raise their hands. Am I moving to the left, guys, or am I moving to the right? Who thinks that? Am I moving to the left or to the right? Where am I moving?
Right.
You think I'm moving to the right? I'm starting right here. You think I go in this direction?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Going to the left. Okay. Guys, focus up. Always be watching. This is where we're starting. This is where we're going to. Okay? So, we're moving to the left. Now, I need someone to tell me how many places am I going to move? How many places? I'm going from milli to regular gram. Take a seat. Dana, you think I'm going 2 places? Let's check that out. Okay, so we take this, move it 1 place, 2 places. Nate, are we there yet? No. How many places I gotta go? 3. Okay, 3, exactly. Guys, always start here. You go 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so guys, since I moved my point on the chart, Nyla, you not be speaking up right now? Nyla. Nyla, back to the room right now. Go by Miss Hill. So, focus up here, guys. If I move my point right here, 3 places to the left, how many places and in what direction do I move my decimal point? Jonathan, if I move my decimal point 3 places to the left on here, how many places do I move my decimal point on here? And in what direction? 3 in which direction? To the left, right. So if I have 260, guys, and remember the idea, when we have whole numbers, we leave the decimal point that goes far on the right-hand side. I want to see all eyes up here. Okay. So, you would move this over 1, 2, 3 places.